Good morning, friend. Today I'm going to talk about writing skill and advantages. I started writing skill some year back, and let me tell you that it's a painstaking task and very hard to maintain every day. But I started with diary writing. Initially, when I was writing, at a time my family and my family member raised a question: why should I get up early morning and started writing? One day, my mother asked to sister, "What he is doing in morning and writing something?" Then at that time, my sister replied, "Mother, that he was writing daily routine." Again, mother asked, "What is the daily routine?" Then sister replied and clear the point that then when should I get up, when should I go to toilet, etc. etc. Then my mother said, "Oh, it's a very easy." So since that time I'm having this kind of hobby, and slowly gradually I started maintaining blog and writing stories. Even I focus on the report writing also. I take initiative, never depend on anybody to instruct me about writing this and that. I maintain myself, check out by myself, and look for the people who can read my content, my this writing, so that I can go ahead. And slowly, gradually, I got motivation from other side also. And even I published some stories in magazine, in books also. So I know what is the benefit, what is the advantages. First advantage is that I get a clarity of my life and career. I develop my sense of happiness and achievement. I get self motivation every time. Apart from this, I find the thing which can give me ability to face each and every problem boldly and courageously. Further, I develop my thinking skill, imagination power. Even I get when to speak with the other and when to listen to them. And apart from that, another thing is that I make my mental ability as strong as possible. Even my writing helps me to remove the boredom, cluttering of mind. Every time I make myself fresh and enthusiasm. And another point is that it helps me to develop the acknowledgement. Whenever I take anybody's help or whenever I meet someone, I always offer thanks. So that became my nature. Many people surprised over this. They ask me how you acknowledge other. So it because of writing, right? Apart from this, it makes me healthy. Even uh, thinking, even it clear the ideas. Even it helps me to get a each thing look with creativity, innovative. Even it helps me to change my perception about other. Earlier I was kept negative perception about other, but today I realize that what agony they have, what problem they have. So I never look at their words, but I look at their emotion. The same thing I develop emotional also in me. And all other thing is that I became very enthusiastic, cheerful, and jolly in my day-to-day life. Each task, each work became a part of my enthusiasm, and I take each work as creatively as possible. So this happened because of writing skill, and many more things are coming into my life. Even I look each thing as opportunity. During difficulty, I am able to go through this phase of life. So this self motivation developed because of writing skill. Even I realize my strength and weaknesses, and boldly I share my all these things with others. So my dear friend, I suggest you start writing at first diary, then try to maintain a blog, then write a reports, write your daily routine, your observation, your reflection, even you keep observation as sharp as possible. So definitely this will help you, and this become the curriculum of our life. Writing in day-to-day life become the curriculum of life, and it takes you to the height of career. So all these things became possible because of the writing. Today I face the same problem of writing consistently and constantly, but I keep challenge to myself, and this challenge came out of my daily routine, because I take each and every task challenge to self. Right? So my dear friend, take writing as a career or hobby and maintain as regular as possible. Once start and later on you forget, that not the solution. Otherwise it is said that in the beginning zero, later on, in the beginning hero, later on he become zero. So let us keep that aside, challenge yourself, commitment is required, constant thinking, observation, and take initiative. Don't look for anybody will instruct you, but take initiative, and that is called ownership. So this writing skill will make your career as bright as the sky. Thank you. I hope you like this writing and its advantages to you. Okay, thank you. Wish you all the best.